As we near the completion of Phase 1A of Aruba's Queen Beatrix International Airport's Gateway 2030 Terminal Expansion Project, one of the main pillars of the new U.S. check-in hall is the state-of-the-art baggage handling system from Boomer Group, delivering 100% tracking and traceability at every stage of the baggage handling process. Aruba's airport is one of only 2 airports in the world to feature the newest and most modern version of the revolutionary Crisbag tote-based independent carrier system for baggage handling that starts the moment passengers check in their bags in the new U.S. check-in hall. After being tagged at check-in, the baggage journey begins on a traditional conveyor belt that carries it from check-in hall to the baggage handling area. The baggage is then scanned, and the luggage is merged with its own tote, with the tote ID and bag tag linked together for full tracking throughout the system. The next stop on the baggage's journey is to Screening Level 1's EDS, the Explosive Device Scanner. Highly efficient technology using US TSA programmed algorithms can thoroughly screen the bag's contents and either clear it to continue its journey through the system or flag it for further inspection by trained personnel at Screening Level 2. At Screening Level 2, operators can view the images from the Explosive Device Scanner and either clear the bag to continue or send it to Screening Level 3 for manual inspection. As the baggage continues through the system, cameras capture an exterior image of the baggage, and it is also weighed and documented. The image and weight results is part of the Baggage Image and Weight Identification System, which is an operational requirement at a U.S. Customs and Border Protection pre-clearance facility and is used to reconcile a U.S.-bound traveler with their baggage. At a certain point in the journey, U.S.-bound bags are diverted from bags traveling elsewhere, as U.S.-bound baggage is required to undergo radiation scanning as part of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection pre-clearance process. On the final leg of the journey through the baggage handling system, all scanned and cleared baggage either goes directly to the loading area where it is received by the airline crew for transport to its flight, or it goes to EBS, the Early Baggage Storage Area. For U.S.-bound passengers, bags are held in early baggage storage until the passenger has cleared U.S. Customs and Border Protection. Once baggage has been security screened, radiation checked, and the baggage image and weight identification system data reconciled with the passenger by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, it can be cleared and released from early baggage storage to the loading area to be received by the airline baggage crew and loaded onto its flight. We are currently in the final stages of installation and are on target for the testing phase of the baggage handling system for the remainder of 2024 and anticipate being fully operational in the first months of 2025. Aruba, as a destination, can be proud of this state-of-the-art baggage handling system at Queen Beatrix International Airport, once again leading the region in technology advancements and service to our passengers.